Hello everyone, welcome to another video on this channel. We're going to talk about Nikola again. So after the big run up on Thursday, it went down Friday, but yesterday up 11%, today pre-market up 5%. So it definitely looks like this squeeze is not over yet. Now, got many comments and people, where do you think this stock could potentially go? Now, as I mentioned in the last video about Nikola, definitely the level to watch is going to be the 200-day moving average that is currently at 227.9. So that is on the short term the big resistance. To recap, it was the end of the squeeze in August 2022, it was the end of the squeeze in March, and the run in November 2021. So this time we definitely need to break that level first. Now, to get back to Friday, I think it was a very interesting day. We went down 15% from 172 all the way back to 190. Now, I do think that the expiration on Friday played a big role. We had, of course, the monthly expiration. So I did check out the option chain. And as you can see, for example, for the chain in July, the monthly expiration of July, we do see that for the $2 level, there are 85,000 open contracts on the call side. So that means that there are 8.5 million shares that need to be covered by market makers if we're going to exceed the 2 level. So actually, I also do think that actually isn't priced too bad given the high volatility. 11 to 12 cents for one call contract isn't that bad yet, given the fact that this stock actually was able to move up $1 in one day. Um, and it literally moves 20, 30, 40, 50 cents a day. So actually, I think they aren't really pricing in the volatility yet. Could also be because we still got that big resistance, the 200-day at 227.9. Now, if we were to break that, and that of course is the big question. So the cycle would normally end there. But if we would be breaking that 200-day moving average, we would be looking at the monthly, and there we do see that the $4.91 is currently the 20-month moving average, and it also is perfectly a level where the stock doesn't get above ever since 2021. And it currently is at an interesting level. It's at the support of 2022, the summer, where we had some support at the 440, 460 level. It currently is at 490. So if this is going to drop the next couple of months, weeks, that will be a level to watch. And at this point, it's still like a 300% gain from these levels. So that's definitely worth watching. And I mean, a break of that would then really be the trigger for a very large move. But I think this stock, with the condition of Nikola and the whole company, isn't as promising anymore as it was in June 2020 when the stock reached levels of $90+. But of course, in squeezes, it sometimes doesn't really matter what the condition of the company is. It's more about, when shorts will have to capitulate and when they have to surrender and when they have to close their positions. And currently, I don't have the feeling that they have fully closed all their positions, as it's still so volatile and the volume is so high compared to the levels we saw before. And this was, of course, a very nice period for shorts. They got it down from 290 to 50 cents. But when we broke here, 20 and a 50-day moving, we really broke to new highs. And short-term wise, definitely the 227.9 is the level to watch. From there on, there's basically not much resistance left. The next one technically is, of course, you still got like the 394, which was the high of 2022 in October. But on the monthly, the big level to watch is then the 491. It's also a nice prior support level and a prior resistance level. So I really like that area there for the stock to move on. And of course, if you would be able, with the options, for example, the $2 for July, or in August, it's also still only 17, 19 cents. I think they're priced really nicely. Of course, options are very risky, so please do this carefully and know what you're investing in. Also, this is not financial advice. This is just my personal opinion. Do your own due diligence, and I hope to see you all the next video. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I see you later.